Well, we're working together with DCNA, the Dutch Caribbean Nature Alliance, and we've got funding from the National Postcode Lottery to start a campaign educating the public about sharks and rays and how important they are to coral reefs and all the functions they provide us, and to try to debunk the myth that sharks are these man-eaters and that they actually are really important, but that they're also in danger. They're being threatened with extinction by overfishing and other threats as well. So we want to start an education campaign, also do some research and monitoring, try to find out what even species we have in our islands. So all the Dutch islands and Holland are all going to be taking part in this campaign. It's a 3-year campaign, and we've just started with our very own Shark Week, as you can see behind me. This is our last day of Shark Week, so we hope it's a big success. Well, we started with our big kickoff at Kantiawa and Castiragata. We had a sustainable lionfish hunt, so talk about sustainable fishing. We're trying to keep the invasive species out and keep the good species in, like sharks. So we started with free goat soup and some information and music and food and dancing. Well, not dancing, but we wanted to dance. We're doing some surveys with the public, trying to find out what people think about sharks right now, because we want to do the same survey 3 years from now and see if we've been successful in trying to educate people about sharks. We've also done a couple presentations around the island. We did one at Divi and one at Habitat. We've gone to Young Bonaire every day this week doing a program with teenagers on the island, teaching them about sharks and how important they are and how threatened they are. Did games with them and things like that. And we also did a movie at Habitat, Shark Water, which was filmed a few years ago, trying to waken people up to the threat that sharks are currently undergoing. Yeah.
And what's going on today?
Okay, so we have our shark extravaganza. We're at Wilhelmina Plain, and we have a lot of information about sharks. We also have a lot of games for kids. So we have a bing bag game where kids can toss in sick fish and slow fish and weak fish into the shark's mouth. You can take a photo of yourself in a shark's mouth. You can do a catch and release game. There's prizes. We have painting, like a mural. We're painting a mural with sharks and rays. And we're having a short presentation at 7 o'clock describing our program to the public.